Regular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs that form the past tense and past participle by adding ed to the base form of the verb. For example, walk becomes walked, talk becomes talked, smile becomes smiled. Here are some example sentences using regular verbs. I walked to the park yesterday. She talked to her friend on the phone last night. He smiled when he saw the puppy. As for sentence structure, a basic English sentence typically follows the structure of subject, verb, object. For example, subject, I. Verb, walked. Object, to the park. Putting it together, the sentence reads, I walked to the park. Here's another example sentence. Subject, she. Verb, watched. Object, the movie. Putting it together, the sentence reads, she watched the movie. It's important to note that there are many variations to sentence structure and that it can become more complex as you learn more about the English language. However, mastering basic sentence structure is an important foundation for building more complex sentences later on. Exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the verb to its past tense form and put them in the correct sentence structure. I'm going to give you an example first. Example, I walk to school. So you have to use walked and yesterday to form a sentence in the past tense. So the answer would be, I walked to school yesterday. Here's an exercise for you to practice. Claro. Another exercise. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses.